Hey, Stoyan. Hopefully that is how you pronounce your name. I am horrible with that. Hey man, I just want to make this quick video for you. Figured it'd be easier to make a quick video. Just wanted you to be careful with this sells. Couple reasons why. If you look at this, brother, we're in this definite uptrend. Yes, I'm on the hourly, but even on the daily, we're in a pretty solid uptrend, my friend. But right here, we're making higher highs. Guy who started, pull back, higher highs. Guy who started, pull back and range for a while. Guy who started doesn't really make higher highs just yet. Then this guy actually makes higher highs. He does pull back to SNR, my friend, and then you can see there's some buyers attempt here for sure. As you like to mark it out with these, it's a little clearer. Oops. Would be clearer. And I don't know what's going on. Sorry about that. I gotta actually click it. So you can definitely see that there's some buyers trying right here. And then yes, they do do a lopsided V formation for sure. That is definitely a lopsided V. But also remember, we're in this huge uptrend. And if this is a V and this is a trap, brother, these guys up here are trapped for sure. One thing I do notice, we didn't make it up to this trap, which is not a big deal. But the things that I really wanted to show you, yes, we have volume here. We have high volume here, which is all behind you, but now definitely you have volume in this area. Pretty high volume, pretty thick volume that's now in front of you. So I would definitely be cautious of this area where you're at now, because what could happen, I've seen in the past, is these guys just pull back for their buys thinking people are buying, and they're going to attempt another buy here, and it could come back against you for their primary and secondary, and then it could go just with that volume in front of you. Don't think it's very likely, and the fact that this is still taking over in a big uptrend, it could come back for a deeper price, yes, and then do its thing and go. But yeah, man, yeah, I just want to make this quick video. If I mispronounce your name, apologies. And I hope that makes sense, brother. Just want you to be careful, be aware. Thanks, man.